Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix red line issue on Vivo phones. So if you are a Vivo phone user and if you are suffering from red line on your phone screen, then don't worry, just follow the methods discussed in this video. The very first method is to restart your phone once. So for that, you have to press the volume up plus power button and then select swipe to restart. So this will restart your phone once, and after that check if red light problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to check for your phone OS update. So for that you have to go to settings, and after that go below. Here you have to click on system update option, and here check if any update is available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that check if the red line problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to start your phone in safe mode. So for that you have to first press and hold the power button unless power menu comes. After that you have to tap and hold restart or power off in screen. Here you will get safe mode option. You have to press OK. Now if the red line disappears, then make sure that the app is the culprit and you have to delete that app that is creating problem. After that check if the problem is fixed. If not, you are suggested to factory reset your phone. So for that you have to go to settings, and after that go below. You have to click on system. You have to click on system management over here. After that here you have to click on a reset option. Click on erase all data, and after that click on erase. So this will delete your data and settings. After that, once your phone restarts, again check if the red line problem on your Vivo phone is resolved or not. But if the issue still continues again and again, then you are suggested to take it to the service center, and there you will get the proper solution to the red line problem you are coming on your phone screen. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.